Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today. Mazda Certified Pre-Owned Vehicles provide you the peace of mind and confidence in the vehicle that you're driving. A thorough 160-point detailed inspection conducted by a Mazda certified technician ensures that the vehicle has been properly reviewed. Mazda Certified means that you have a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, 12-month, 12,000-mile limited vehicle warranty, 0 deductible on covered repairs, and 24-hour emergency roadside assistance. Stop into your local Mazda dealer today and ask about Mazda's fantastic Certified Pre-Owned program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.